Suzuki has reopened a chapter many people thought was gone forever, and this time, the Grand Vitara is not returning quietly. The 2027 Suzuki Grand Vitara is back with a different attitude. Bigger, smarter, refined, and far more ambitious than the SUV that built its reputation. But behind this comeback is a risky question Suzuki cannot escape. Can a legendary name survive in a battlefield ruled by Toyota, Honda, Mazda, and Hyundai? For years, the Grand Vitara was remembered as a tough, honest, affordable SUV that could handle rough roads without pretending to be fancy. People loved it because it felt real. But the world has changed. Buyers now want hybrid efficiency, premium cabins, advanced screens, family comfort, and technology that makes every drive effortless. So Suzuki faced a dangerous challenge. Keep the soul of the original, but rebuild everything else from the ground up. Change too little and it feels outdated. Change too much, and loyal fans may say it no longer deserves a Grand Vitara name. That is what makes this new model so interesting. From a first look, the 2027 Grand Vitara feels like Suzuki is sending a warning to the SUV market. The deep metallic blue paint gives it premium presence, while the chrome grille, slim LED headlights, sculpted hood, roof rails, running boards, and sleek rear lighting make it look mature. It does not beg for attention, but it makes you wonder what Suzuki has been hiding. The biggest surprise is inside. Open the doors and the old basic cabin is gone. In its place is a modern 3-row interior with a floating touchscreen, digital instrument cluster, blue and tan leather atmosphere, soft touch materials, smart storage, wireless charging, USB ports, comfortable seats, and real family practicality. The second row offers space, while the third row is usable for kids and shorter adults. Fold the seats down, and this SUV becomes ready for road trips, adventure gear, or family hauling. Under the hood, Suzuki makes a smart move with a strong hybrid system, combining a 1.5-liter turbo gasoline engine with electric assistance for smooth, efficient driving. It may not be a drag race machine, but instant electric torque, available all-wheel drive, multiple drive modes, and fuel economy around 5 to 6 liters per 100 kilometers make it feel built for real life. This is not just a comeback. It is Suzuki trying to prove that the Grand Vitara can return as a smarter, more affordable, more emotional family SUV for 2027.